Once upon a time, there was a lazy cat named Milo. Milo loved sleeping all day. While other cats ran and played, Milo would say, "Tomorrow, I will do it tomorrow." One day, a little mouse took Milo's favorite fish because Milo was too lazy to guard it. Milo cried as she felt sad and hungry. The next morning, Milo decided to try his stretch, walked and played a little every day. Soon, Milo became active and happy. No one took his fish again.